Welcome to Sharad Machine Tools, manufacturer and supplier of lathe machines. The company was established in 1976 at Rajkot. International quality standards and sound supply channels make us unique in the industry. Excellent after-sales services, hassle-free monetary transactions, and timely delivery of consignments are the reasons behind our success. We offer a huge gamut of industrial, turning, and precision lathe machines. High-cut, medium, and heavy-duty lathe machines offered by us are superior in performance. Head boring and roll turning lathe machines are some of our best-selling products. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing heavy-duty and industrial lathe machine for electrical industry. Medium-duty lathe machine for automobile and precision lathe machine for coal industry are extremely reliable. Our high-cut lathe for coal industry and turning lathe machine for automobile industry are available at industry-leading prices. For more information, log on at www.sharadmachinetools.com.